Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 BMW 1 Series, a car that blends performance, technology, and style in a compact, yet powerful package. Whether you're a fan of sporty drives or looking for a hatchback that's as thrilling as it is practical, you're in the right place. Buckle up as we explore this fourth-generation beauty and compare it with some worthy competitors. BMW has always been known for its iconic styling, and the 2025 1 Series continues that legacy, but with a twist. While it's sleek and modern, there's something unique about its design. The smaller grille and sleeker headlights might make it look a little like a soft-boiled egg, but there's no denying it's got that head-turning presence. It's grown slightly 42 longer and 25 millimeters taller, giving it a more planted, aggressive stance. For those who crave customization, you've got options with exterior colors, including matte finishes like Frozen Pure Gray and Frozen Portimo Blue. And for the thrill seekers, the M135 xDrive comes with a black high-gloss rear spoiler for that extra sporty touch. Now let's talk about what really gets the heart racing: the engine. The 2025 BMW 1 Series comes with two gas engines and two diesel options. The 1.5-liter three-cylinder in the base 118 offers 168 horsepower, but the real excitement is the M135 xDriv's turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder hybrid borrowed from the BMW X1 M35i. This beast churns out 296 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, giving you a 0-62 mph in just 4.9 seconds. Compared to rivals like the Audi A3 or Mercedes A-Class, the M135 xDriv's performance is in a league of its own, offering more power and better acceleration. It's designed for men and young adrenaline junkies who want the thrill of driving without compromising on comfort. Stepping inside, BMW has truly modernized the 1 Series. Dual screens take center stage: one 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.7-inch touchscreen infotainment system running BMW's latest iDrive 9. It's sleek, futuristic, and packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even onboard 5 grams connectivity. Whether you choose the standard Vaganza upholstery or go for the premium Alcantara with blue contrast stitching, you'll ride in style. And for those chilly mornings, the heated front sport seats and heated steering wheel in the M135 xDrive have you covered. Not to mention, there's even a massage function. Take that, Audi. BMW isn't just about speed, it's about keeping you safe. The 2025 1 Series is packed with advanced safety features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control with stop or go, and rear cross traffic alert. But here's where the M135 xDrive pulls ahead, offering extras like evasion assistant and crossroads warning features designed to keep you safe when driving gets unpredictable. If you're ready to experience the ultimate driving machine in a compact form, the 1 Series is calling your name. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments: are you team BMW, or are you still riding with Audi or Mercedes? Until next time, keep those engines roaring.